What's up, everybody? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google search history permanently. So we're going to do this on PC, but this is also applicable for your mobile devices. So here we see here our top searches. Here we have iPhone 11 price, iPhone 13, iPhone 12, and so on and so forth. Now we want to remove this permanently. We'll just head over here, customize and control Google Chrome. And then very briefly go to history, click on this one. Now you can either manually remove it if you have a selective one that you want to remove. For example, this one, delete browsing history, and then you want to delete that one. Just delete it. Or if you want to delete all of it, you can simply just click on delete browsing data. You can select the time range if you want to delete just for this day, 24 hours, or for the entire week, 7 days, month, 4 weeks. But if you want to delete all of it, then select all time right there. There are also, of course, advanced options where you can delete it. Oh, there it is. It's gone now, but it's still here on our search history. So what we want to do there is here, and then advanced, and then we want to delete all of it. All time again. Delete data. And that should now work. For example, if I type in Facebook, our Facebook is automatically logged out from our computer system. And that's it. Basically, if you delete history, all of the things that are logged in on your computer will also be deleted. So, example, if you have your Facebook applications open on your PC, it will be deleted there as well. Except for Gmail, I believe, because your Gmail is connected with the account here. And yeah, that's mainly all of it. Hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please do hit the like and of course the subscribe button. Follow us here on Telcup Guy for more videos and more tutorials. See you on the next one.